In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as your all-in-one AI workspace. Think of Notion as a flexible home base for everything you need to organize, from quick notes to complex projects. It's built around pages and blocks. A page is your canvas, and blocks are the building pieces: text, images, checklists, embeds, and databases. You can arrange blocks however you like, and nest pages inside pages to form a clear hierarchy, like a personal knowledge base or a company wiki. A simple tip: name pages clearly and add a short description at the top so anyone landing there understands the purpose right away. Databases are where Notion really shines. You can store information once and view it in different ways: tables for structured data, Kanban boards for workflows, lists for simple tracking, calendars for deadlines, timelines for roadmaps, and galleries for visual items. Each entry is its own page, so you can add context, attachments, and subtasks without clutter. When building a database, define properties early, things like status, priority, owner, and due date, so your filters and views stay consistent as your workspace grows. Notion AI is built in to speed up everyday work. Use it to brainstorm outlines, rewrite copy for clarity, summarize long notes, or generate meeting minutes based on your raw bullets. It can also help you structure databases by suggesting properties or sample entries. Treat AI as a starting point, then refine with your own expertise. Collaboration is simple and powerful. Share pages with teammates, leave comments in context, and mention colleagues to loop them in. Setting clear permissions helps protect sensitive docs while keeping shared spaces discoverable. For recurring work, create a shared home page that links to active projects, key documents, and team updates so everyone is aligned. Templates help you move fast. You'll find options for project management, goal tracking, finance, education, and more. Start with a template that's close to what you need, then customize it, adjust properties, relabel statuses, and remove extras to keep things lean. Saving your custom layouts as templates pays off as your team scales. Notion connects with tools you already use, like Slack and Google Drive, and it's available on web, iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. Keep the mobile app handy for quick capture, then do deeper edits on desktop. Whether you're managing personal tasks, building a second brain, or running a full company wiki, Notion adapts to your workflow. Start simple, iterate as you go, and let the structure grow with your needs.